Sometimes I don't like the way readers be pulling cards. I feel like they interpret that shit based on what they ready to receive and how they feel. They be placing judgment, making shit negative. That it all depends on your own perspective. So if it was meant to be, it would have bust wide open and it didn't. So, well, all right. I think. Well, let me see. Spirit, you got more cards. Wait, I was being sloppy. That wasn't the cards. Spirit, got some more cards. All right, there's one more. Now, you see I take jumpers. I don't be picking spreads, all that shit. Fuck that shit. We picking jumpers. Oh. Wait a minute. It's way more cards. Look. I like to say it's for those who it resonate with. No, it's not. Because you motherfuckers will listen to a goddamn reading and be like, that don't resonate. That's because you don't want to receive it. Because when I be doing my readings, that's why, see, anyway, that's a whole other story. That's why I stopped doing free readings. I done missed half the reading. All right, the first card that came out was a devil card. That's not addictions, control. That's not none of that shit. You need some dick, some pussy, whatever it is you like, you need that shit. Stop playing. Like, you're trying to think that if I sacrifice, then I will reach my goal more quickly. It's not true. Indulge yourself. You're an adult. You know how to indulge yourself and still go to fucking work in the morning. You ain't 20, even if you is 23. But whatever experience you had previously where you had lack and you thought that was because of your lack of effort or whatever. No, we in our female principle. We in our soft life. Knight of Cups, Two of Swords upright. Six of Pentacles in reverse, Justice in reverse, Seven of Swords upright, Five of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles in reverse. All I'm going to say to you is don't stop living your life, all right? Yes, you may not have everything that you need or desire or feel like you should have right now, but don't stop living your life. If you don't have happiness, then you will not be able to reach the pinnacle of success that you think you're going to have and you want to have. Don't cut yourself off. Live your fullest life. You got the Seven of Swords. You're doing your work. The devil is not just pleasure, but it's also fucking hard-ass work. It's Saturn. Bitch, fucking live that shit. Knight of Cups, yeah, you ain't all the way there yet. Chill. Two of Swords, you still got shit. You got time to go. Five of Pentacles, no. You're not going to be fully in your super wealth right now, but the Ace of Pentacles means stop worrying about opportunities. Just chill. The money going to come when it comes. Justice in reverse, Six of Pentacles in reverse. You want to be a giver? Stop being a giver. Receive. Receive.